Here, the family now finally feeling like the investigation is heading a certain way that they expected it to. Riya Chakravarti has now been arrested. What grounds and what charges will be slapped against her? Take us through the details.
Well, Nabila, this is the biggest question, the answers to which we are also awaiting. For the simple reason that none of the officials of the Narcotics Control Bureau have come on record to say anything in this regard. Previously, when the drug peddlers were arrested, or when Souvik Chakravarti was arrested, or the staffers of the late actor were arrested, the NCB officials did give us little clues as to what was the basis on which these people had been arrested. And later, of course, the remand application had clearly given the grounds of their arrest as well. But this time round, the NCB officials had remained very, very tight-lipped. Though, till last evening, they did say that Riya Chakravarti did remain evasive to certain questions, but she never accepted that she has consumed drugs. And as I've been mentioning earlier as well, what I did manage to get from the NCB officials yesterday evening itself was the fact there were 2 pointers. One, they said that they always felt that along with the late actor, Riya Chakravarti herself was consuming drugs.
Right.
Which
speaking of
all
consuming
along
drugs,
Riya
a quick
Chakravarti
word there, Pankaj, if you can take us through the medical test that Riya Chakravarti has to now go through. What does that mean? Does she also go through a narco test? A drug test also will be carried out, or is it just a simple medical test, just the way Souvik Chakravarti and Samuel Miranda had to go through? They did not go through a narco test. They didn't go through a drug test. It was just a simple medical test. Will that also be the same procedure now for Riya?
Well, Nabila, as far as the procedure is concerned, right now is only going to be a medical test which will ascertain whether the arrested person is physically in a healthy position or not. Additionally, a COVID test has also become a requirement in the wake of the pandemic as well. So this is not about the narco test. This is not about the drug test. This is a procedure which has to be followed when the person has been shown arrested. So in all likelihood, if at all, the COVID test facility has not been arranged here in the NCB premises itself, because yesterday there were things doing the rounds as well. This news was also doing the rounds that the officials of the NCB were also contemplating that if possible, then a COVID test facility would be initiated here at the premises itself. But there is no word from the officials on this front. But this is a part of the procedure. First of all, a medical test will be conducted to ascertain the health of the person, so that it should not come out later during the investigation when the person has been arrested, that how is it that a person's health has deteriorated when the questioning was going on. So this is a procedure that is going to be followed. As far as the other tests are concerned, drug tests are concerned, those are going to be the official statements that perhaps the information of which would be given by the NCB. And as I've been saying, till now, there has been no official word that has come out. The formalities of the arrest, of the various procedures that has started, that we can confirm to the viewers, that a medical examination will be conducted, that we can confirm to the viewers. But all eyes are going to be on the senior most NCB officials who come down every time when an arrest has been made, because they are the one who will tell us as to what exact grounds have they really found, after which Riya Chakravarti has been arrested. Because to many really it looked that arresting Riya Chakravarti would be a very, very uphill task. Yes, we know Souvik Chakravarti, Samuel Miranda, Dipesh Sawant accepted that yes, they procured drugs at Riya Chakravarti and Sushant Singh Rajput's behest.
Right.
But more than that, nothing much has come out. Though NCB has been saying that they feel that she has been...
right outside. Divyesh, here we're looking at the arrest of Riya Chakravarti. It was imminent. It was looming large. Finally now, the NCB has arrested her. All that talk that happened over the last 3 days that the arrest will happen today or tomorrow, all that speculation now put to an end. NCB has cracked down on day 3. Has arrested Riya Chakravarti on, of course, information that they've got, which yet needs to be revealed. But what we see here is the family of Sushant Singh Rajput feeling vindicated. It's now the arrest has been welcomed largely by Sushant Singh Rajput's family members. In fact, his sister as well has put out a tweet saying, "God is with us." Sushant's family now feeling vindicated. Take us through what the CBI now, how the CBI is really going to be probing into the angle of Sushant's family members also being accused of feeding Sushant with illegal drugs. In fact, when Riya Chakravarti filed a complaint, she spoke about particular drugs in medication. In fact, that was procured and given to Sushant without proper doctor's consultation. Now, where is that investigation headed towards now that Riya is already arrested?
Tarun Kumar from Ram Hospital.
Divesh, if you can hear us. Divesh, if you can hear us, please take us through what do we know now with regards to the CBI investigation, who are currently also probing the family members of Sushant. Now that Riya is arrested by the NCB, where does the investigation into Sushant's death head towards?
That has been registered by Riya Chakravarti against Priyanka Singh, sister of Sushant Singh Rajput, and Dr. Tarun Kumar from Ram Manohar Lohia Hospital. Has been registered at the Bandra police station and has been transferred to the CBI as per the Supreme Court order. It is now in the court of CBI that the case will be probed further. Remember, it was India Today which brought to light regarding the communication that had happened on June 8th between Priyanka Singh and Sushant Singh Rajput, where Priyanka had mentioned some medicines for Sushant Singh Rajput, which are controlled medicines, controlled substances under the NDPS Act, and these medicines are prescription medicines given to patients suffering from severe depression, severe anxiety, and several other
WhatsApp
mental illnesses.
And the messenger text that was established, it was well established that those medications needed proper doctor's consultation. But according to the complaint of Riya Chakravarti and from the messages that we see between Priyanka and Sushant, his sister, and him, the talk is about medication which was illegal. You can't buy it without a prescription, and that's what Sushant Singh Rajput is even pointing out in those text messages. But Priyanka, his sister, says that she'll manage a prescription. She will manage it and she will give it to him. And that's what she did. Eventually managed a prescription and gave it to him. And here we're looking at even the doctor at the Ram Manohar Lohia Hospital who gave that prescription without consultation now in the dock. He's also a complaint has been filed against him as well by Riya Chakravarti. Now just asking, while on one front we're looking at the NCB going all with full speed into cracking down on the drug nexus, what's the CBI's investigation? Where does it stand right now, even as we speak? Are they pulling up more people in this case here? Are they summoning more members of Sushant's family? What about Priyanka, who's now been accused in the complaint as well that Riya has made to the Mumbai police? Has she been summoned?
Yeah, CBI will surely record statement of Priyanka Singh on this particular issue, because now that an FIR has been registered, she will have to provide all details on how did she manage a prescription when Sushant didn't even speak to the doctor, and despite that a prescription was issued by a doctor to Priyanka Singh in name of Sushant Singh Rajput. While Sushant was in Mumbai, the doctor was in Delhi. There was no telephone call, there was no communication between the doctor